A former teacher in court today accused of indecent liberties with a student. Good afternoon. Thanks for joining us. I'm Bill Young.
And I'm Liz Ortiz. 64-year-old Miguel Banana was in jail for less than 24 hours before he bonded out. CBS 17's Haley Fixler was inside the courtroom today. She's live outside of the Wake County Justice Center. Haley, if he is convicted, what could he be looking at sentence-wise?
Well, for that first charge, it's a maximum of 24 months in jail. For that second charge, that's going to be a maximum of 59 months in jail. Now, according to this warrant, Banano's actions were against a child less than 16 years old.
Mr. Banana, you charged him with indecent liberties with a student.
Miguel Banana walked into a courtroom at the Wake County Justice Center Thursday morning silent. This arrest warrant shows he took indecent liberties with a student at East Wake Academy while he was a teacher there. The documents state Banana committed and attempted to commit a lewd and lascivious act upon the body of the victim, who was under the age of 16 at the time. The date of the incident is noted to be May 25th. One mother told us she was not comfortable with her youngest child having Banana as a teacher. She's happy one student reported him so he can no longer hurt others.
I'm very thankful that they were brave enough to come forward.
Banana did not say a single word as the judge told him what jail time he could be facing and that he was not allowed to make contact with any victims or accusers or be near them. He also cannot be in the presence of minors without supervision. After he got his new court date, his attorney escorted him outside quickly. We tried to follow. Banana's attorney tells us they are not ready to speak out just yet. Banana's next court date is set for July 7th, and the Zebulon Police Department is asking any current or former students to come forward if they have any information to contact the detective in charge. We have that information posted for you on our website, CBS17.com. Live in Raleigh, Haley Fixler, CBS 17 News.
Haley, something that we've been hearing a lot about from a lot of different parents. I know we'll be watching this case very, very closely. Thank you.
A man accused of murder is